Hello and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Come along with us on our staycation at the Palace Station Hotel and Casino. We're going to check out both of these places, but first up, Cinebarre for a movie. Cinebarre is pretty unique as far as movie theaters go. They have a full lounge with tables, a full bar, there's pool tables, there's darts, there's gaming machines, there's an outdoor patio. It's a whole experience. I just think it's such a cool touch that the wallpaper inside of these booths has movie quotes. Love that. In addition to popcorn and traditional movie snacks, at Cinebarre you can order a full menu of food and drinks. You can either have somebody take your order inside the movie theater or order it right here from the bar, and they'll bring it to your seat. F789. That's 7, 8.
Maybe Buck's supposed to be lucky.
You don't have bad luck.
Really?
It's fast becoming one of our favorite movie theaters in town. It's getting pretty hot outside, so we decided to park in the self-parking garage and then walk across to the registration desk to check in. Unfortunately, no online check-in option, and the line wasn't too long, but there was only a couple of people working the check-in desk. The elevators were really close to the check-in desk, and then just beyond that there was a Starbucks, so that made things really convenient. Overall, the rooms were very nice, very spacious, clean, remodeled nicely. A lot of space to put your things, a lot of drawer space, a lot of storage space, nice TV, and the view is pretty cool. You'll see that in a second.
Real quick, here's something else I found, their room service menu. Not too bad. You might want to screenshot that. He was thinking about it. Here's something I found of interest. Bucket of beer. It's like 20 bucks for 5. If anybody's been on the strip or around the Vegas area, you know, that's a lot. You can pay a lot of money for beer, so that's not a bad deal.
So again, this is the premier 2-queen strip view room. There's the pool and the hot tub. We got Dean Martin Drive right there and a pretty good view of the backside of the strip. You can also see Allegiant Stadium out there in the distance, as well as the Rio, the Gold Coast, and the Palms over here. All right, we're gonna go head out to the pool now. Yeah, that's not
From
bad
above, it
at
looked
all.
like it was gonna be a long trek.
Yeah, we got showers.
This is nice. It is.
Not too bad of a little walk. The Palace Pool.
Don't touch this.
You get grill marks.
It's warm.
We'll give you a screenshot of the full menu here in just a little bit, and as always, we'll have it linked in the description box as well.
This is the way to roll. Nice food, beverage. Cheers.
Got some nice little chairs here. Nice pool.
It was cool. Not too bad, chill.
But yeah, it was nice.
warm out here, huh?
Yeah, it feels nice out here.
Good.
We did a video at the Palace Station about a year ago with all kinds of facts, opening dates, history of the property, so we'll have that linked in the description box as well if you're interested.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my
East Buffet doesn't look open.
No, I didn't even film it because it was fun.
Do you think they'll care?
All right, heading to Tailgate Social.
get out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away.
Here we are, Tailgate Social at the Palace Station. Wait to be seated.
Sands, a place in the sun. They got UNLV. They got a full bar over there. The ceiling is
The
really
ceiling
cool.
is awesome.
Lots of TVs if there was games going on. They
We even have
got
shuffleboard.
shuffleboard,
They got
foosball.
foosball.
Got a pool table over there.
Look at the cool pour from the tap area.
Oh yeah.
What's the
then-
one with the pig?
Out here, kind of in the way, but the strip is off that direction. It's pretty nice. Lots of Golden Knight stuff in here.
Breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes. But I work it out every once in a while. I feel love.
The others.
Let me film it.
Cheers.
I'll film you.
Looks like they got a trivia night on Thursdays.
I dig this
Oh, look
place.
up there.
Do a lot of cool stuff.
They got 3-point specials during the NBA finals. So every time somebody gets a 3-point, you get a $3 Bud Light, Modelo, and some shots.
Let's
So
go 3-pointers. I don't care which team.
go Golden State though.
Hey, you know, 3-pointers, Golden State. You know, you're gonna be drinking a lot of
How's
cheap
the beer? The root beer. Give you this coupon book, so we're gonna use the buy one get one free beers. You also get one for the brass fork. What else? The boathouse.
I wouldn't say the
Or,
boathouse.
Starbucks.
Oh, even Starbucks.
I didn't even know they had a Starbucks here.
Yeah, they do.
And then what else?
Oh, $5 now. 500 and free slot play.
I can't.
New members.
Oh, new members. Okay, so if you sign
Here,
up.
let me.
Cool. That's kind of cool.
What else is there? And that's it.
Nice.
Story time's over.
So far, we got chicken Caesar salad, and some pretzel bites,
Try some of
cheese
those.
sauce. Yum. Got some chicken wings with the sauce on the side, as per usual. Got your beer, root beer. You're set.
Yep.
Are you good? You have enough chicken?
Oh, here comes yours.
Oh, that's what.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I grab anything to make it even better?
Would you like to explain yourself?
These are deep fried Oreos.
Let me see the inside of it.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
I don't like regular Oreos, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like deep fried Oreos.
Well, I'm not a professional food critic. And I'm probably
Even
have
if you
lowbrow
were, I
taste.
don't think they show you how to
Well,
judge
let's just say
Oreos.
this. I like Oreos.
Okay.
I think I would eat tire rubber if it was deep fried. This with deep fried Oreos with caramel sauce is ridiculously good.
You like it? I guess you didn't like those wings very much, though. That's A shame.
Yeah, I totally didn't like the wings.
No.
Yeah.
All right, so what's going on with the root beer float?
It tastes good. Root beer and ice cream. You should get this. You should get this and the deep fried Oreos.
Those were good. I don't even like Oreos, and I love those.
I'm sorry.
That was mine.
Oh, sorry.
Rude.
Ooh, look at.
We would definitely recommend Tailgate Social. Very cool atmosphere, good food, nice people. We really enjoyed our staycation at the Palace Station Hotel and Casino. Would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a place just slightly off the strip, off the beaten path, for a little bit better value. So we'll have some information linked down below for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you and hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.